Well, hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. It's Saturday, May the 10th, and we're about 6:30 in the evening. So just going to go for a walk around Blackpool, around the promenade, beach area where we are now, and have a wander through past some of the pubs and the clubs. So glorious day here in Blackpool today. Absolutely lovely. I mean, look at it now. There's people out there on the beach, kids just swimming, people in the sea. I'm gonna say this is 6:30 at night. Absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Well, I think it is anyway. But yeah, just sort of bring you down there at the beginning and show you who's about. As you can see, so good to see people in Blackpool. Barbecue going there. Mark Kelly's on the prom here. Kelly's is all busy. So we'll wander through the Foxhill area. £1.75 a pint in there. Music, balcony, sunshine. More Kelly's open at the weekends. The Aldwick. Always busy in there.
I'm not busy.
Certainly a lot of holiday makers about. But what the town's going to be like, it will be different to last weekend when we had the farmers. So it'll be completely different, that will be. Yeah, just on Central Pier now. Look how far out the tide is, people right out there if you can see them. Look how busy this Central Pier is. I don't think I'll venture walking through that lot to the end of the pier today. It's quite busy, so yeah, it's going to take me a while. We'll do a walk to the end of the pier another time. Everybody partying down there? certainly busy. Yeah, so like I said at the beginning of the video, it's probably approaching about 7 o'clock now, and you can still see how many people are out and about. Wouldn't it be great if we had the same weather as Benidorm all year round? You think how much business would come into Blackpool? I know it's not the same, but it's completely different in my view. I shouldn't really bring up Benidorm. What I really meant to say, if we had better weather all year round. We'll go inland for a little bit, see what's going on in the town. Yeah, it'll be quiet that way now, so we'll look back onto the front and grab the sunshine and the sights, of course. Wetherspoons is completely battered in there. I gather there's more dancing going on in the tower by the looks of things. Overdressed again, but not as bad as Friday when I came out. Another shoplifter or suspected shoplifter. And the Soul Suite is buzzing here, isn't it? Definitely buzzing here. Yeah, we're just on North Pier now. Give you some views off North Pier. Absolutely glorious. 7 PM now. few there outside the Rose and Crown, but the sun's gone round now, so you don't get quite as many people there now.
The way that flavoured what was the last week?
I can't see a piece of hot.
Yeah, I'll try and make this one a little bit longer. Don't know if you want the longer ones of these or just the same sort of length. Let me know. In Blackpool, you just get everybody from all walks of life. The dress code is completely different from one person to the next. Yeah, I've always called this place the Wild West. Going on here. Unless it's some graduation event or something, I don't know what it is. Certainly lots of people about. Mafia there. We'll just put our heads in Abingdon Street Market and see what that's like on a Saturday night when it's very warm outside. Busy in here and all. Topping Street. My days are so warm walking about. Washington, one of my favourite pubs for food, and the beer's good in there as well. It's nice and fresh. Yeah, I had to get a bit of shopping in Sainsbury's, but I thought I'd give it one more lap round the town, just to show you some more sights and sounds of Blackpool on a Saturday night. So much better now this is finished, isn't it? Bit quiet outside Kelly's, isn't it? Very unusual. Yeah, see, the summer comes, more people come on a Saturday night. Some of the Saturday nights I've done out of season have been dreadful, haven't they? But yeah, a lot more people about tonight.
Just the young lady on there from Burberry.
Such glorious weather, really is lovely. Right, let's have a little wander up here again. If you are new to these pub and bar videos, you will find that I go around the same place at least twice. So that's how I've always done it. Yeah, sorry for not knowing what's going on in the Winter Gardens. I generally look stuff up so I know, but it seemed to be a band. There are a lot of people in uniform, but from what I can make out, it was a band, but they wear uniform. I'm sure that makes sense to you. So many people about. Let's give you a little time check. 10 to 8. 10 to 8. Viva. Look at the vast amount of people about still. Yeah, something's kicking off. Police just doing foot patrol, which is good to see. Just take you away for a moment and show you this. Beautiful. Why can't we have all this weather all the time? Right, I'm going to leave the video there. Hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, thank you to everybody that watches, likes the videos, shares and comments. And thank you very much again, and I will catch you all again very soon.